How to find someone on Viber. What is up everyone? In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily search for someone on Viber messaging app. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right in. So the very first thing you need to do is have the Viber application installed on your device and make sure to open up the app. Now once you open the app up, you will find your chat section right here. So the first thing you want to do is if you want to find someone, you can use the search icon at the top right corner. So just tap on it. So if you want to find someone on Viber, you can just search for their name. So I'm just going to search for their name and then the contact will show up right here. You can just tap on that. And if you have set up any pin code or anything on your chat, you can enter that and then simply write the message. So this is the first method. And if you want to find your contacts on Viber, then you can do that by tapping on the contact icon. And if you want to invite someone, you can just simply tap on the invite button right besides the name if they are not on Viber. And it's as easy as that. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video.